Hello, I'm Dr. Lisa Herring, and I'm proud to be the Superintendent of Atlanta Public Schools. APS has always been and remains committed to providing environments in all of our schools that are as safe and healthy as possible for learning and working. When it comes to air quality, we have devoted significant resources from our special purpose local option sales tax program known as FLOSS toward the installation of new HVAC units in several schools over the past few years. Research has helped us conclude that additional mitigation resources should be put towards installing EnviroKlenz air filter units in all APS classrooms. With the consent of our board, we have committed $3.5 million of CARES Act funding for this initiative. This adds an additional layer of protection for staff and for students. And it adds to our comprehensive mitigation strategy, which has been successful in keeping our schools open for in-person instruction for the vast majority of this school year. Our goal has been to ensure that neither the installation nor the daily operation of these units would disrupt teaching and learning. We believe we've achieved that goal. We are proud of this equitable investment to improve indoor air quality. These units will remain in our classrooms beyond the pandemic and will be a part of our overall protocol for providing our students and teachers with clean, healthy learning and working environments. Thank you for your contributions in support of this effort, and please stay well.